There are several ways to create restrictions in your calendar. Go to your calendar, select Book Edit, choose your date range, then go to Restrictions and select the restriction you want to apply. For example, I want to make it mandatory for the guest to book a 4-night stay. That is a restriction. Go ahead and save your changes. Your changes have been applied. Now close that window to see the modifications you just made by ticking that box, and you'll see the modifications in your calendar. Let's say you want to apply changes to the conditions of this restriction. You can manually select it, right-click, make your modifications, and save. You can also bulk edit to make modifications to the dates or days you want to change. Now make your changes. They are now updated in your calendar. Close this box. You can also manually select the date range and then choose the restrictions you want to modify. Right-click to open the option box, make your modifications and save. They'll then appear as a new set of restrictions in your calendar. As you can see, there are several ways to apply restrictions to your calendar. If you want to learn more about how to use Booking.com, remember to subscribe.